having a lot of choking spasms this morning in particular. It's election day, November 3rd, 2020. I just dropped Robert off at work. So it's like 6:20 a.m. or something. Somewhere around there. Okay. Just pushes water out of my eyes. My head's gonna explode because I can't breathe. That was the tail end of one. Because getting the camera on takes time, so I don't get to see the full thing. Miserable. So it's November 5th, 2020, and this started about 8 o'clock this morning. It's now 11:11, and I've had one day off so far this month. That was just yesterday. So the first 3 days are both as usual. I'm so tired. I'm just so tired of it. It's really hard to just live. I lay still because when I move, it gets twice or 3 times more aggressive. So here I can at least breathe a little. These burps. They're right here in my throat. The Adam's apple area. It goes up and down, and so that gets a little painful. It's miserable. November 9th, 2020. Monday, Robert took today off. And the Erratic could be great. So it's November 10th, 2020, 3:52 p.m. Oh, this is so exhausting. I'm so fatigued. I'm just so fatigued. I can never catch up. Miserable. November 10th, 2020. 4:52 p.m. Gonna go get Robert from work. I think I do this 1,200 times an hour. It's miserable. My biggest fear is to get COVID, which is a respiratory issue, and this is sort of a respiratory issue. And then to have just be, oh my god, this is a nightmare I just can't even picture, or don't even want to. Oh man. So November 12th, 2020. The burps come from up in here area. Let's see if you can see. And my Adam's apple moves up and down. See? And it not very comfortable. So you get 1,200 to 1,500 of these an hour after hour, day after day, year after year. It gets pretty wearing. I'm sorry, I always end up yawning on camera, and I yawn all day. I'm just fatigued, totally. Just miserable. I've had 2 days off so far this month. It's supposed to 12. So, one day the first week, and then yesterday. So it's November 14th, 2020, at 1:09 a.m. Just decided to start last night at 10 p.m. So here I am going to sit up probably all night, because I usually run 12-hour episodes generally. Sucks, because it's started Friday night, now it's Saturday and early morning hours. It sucks. It just ruins the whole weekend, because I'm always tired. That sucks.
I started looking for places for them. It was a lot of emotions, and I was trying to be strong for everybody because I was so I just became this superwoman.
November 16th,
whatever I could to make sure my family
2020.
was good. So
Just
I take this moment very
started
seriously because it can change my life. I've seen people
Stop.
around here. I'm proud.
It's like just started.
Oh, look who we have here!
It was extremely intimidating because Miguel and John
And this weekend was miserable.
They can really sing.
All for both nights. Days.
My style of
Normal.
music is extremely similar to Miguel.
Choking Spasms.
I always modeled myself after his blueprint.
We're so happy to have him as our guest mentor today. Very good.
You don't understand. Miguel is standing right there. Like, teach me thy ways. I am a sponge. Let's get it.
Honored to have you on my team. Honored to work with both of you.
It's always actually started at night. Needs no sleep tonight. It's just so fucked up. November 18th, 2020, 6:49 p.m. It slows down when I do this on. It's like really aggressive. It's bullshit. November 21st, 2020. Out here sitting and looking at all the homeless pitching their tents around here. It's getting worse and worse. I don't like that. Some more. Sunday, November 22nd, 2020. Slow sandwich. Camera. Bullshit. Viewer discretion advised. 4:30 p.m. Sunday. So it's November 24th, 2020, the week of Thanksgiving. It's in 2 days. And LA is under strict restrictions this for the next 3 weeks, I believe. Serious restrictions for COVID because it just progressively gets worse. A huge threat, and they don't even want people flying for Thanksgiving. I mean, this is like, we shouldn't even be in this place right now. If we had a administration that was really looking out for the people, the American people, but clearly they haven't. So we're all suffering and living in fear and stress above and beyond conditions that we all, some of us deal with. I mean, for me to get COVID with this condition would be just devastating. I can barely breathe as it is. So I always live in fear, but you still have to live, you know. So you pick and choose. My partner goes in every day to the front lines in surgery. So where I'm trying to get back to. So you just, you try to do the best you can. This condition is getting worse. It's not getting better. Doctors are missing. Often COVID is a disruptor to scheduling, but it's no excuse. I have 6 doctors working together on me, and I hear from none of them really. Or they're repeating things because they just don't know what to do, This is a condition that is just not widely known, and not enough of us to study on, apparently. So we're literally stranded, pioneering a condition, and so I record these things just to keep basically a diary of what I'm going through and how often and how aggressive it gets when I can. I mean, I don't record everything, but it's difficult to live this and try to have any sense of quality of living. I'm constantly fatigued. A lot of this starts at night, so I don't sleep very well. You try to come up with ways to reduce the symptoms or get them to stop. I mean, you have to. It's self-creative. There's no treatments. We're beyond the treatments that are available to people that have this condition. I mean, 90% of people that have hiccups have treatments that they can use. There's a small percentage of us, a minority of us in a group, that are not responding to those treatments that are available for people with hiccups. And so that's where we're left sort of stranded, and that's why we're pioneering beyond the treatments that are available. And doctors just don't know what to do. They're scratching their head all the time. They just don't know what to do beyond what is already written in script for them to use. And there's 121 of us now in a support group that are suffering with this, and that's 100. It's grown to be 121 since last October 2019, where 3 of us started in this group, and it's now expanded to the 121 as of today. And sadly, we lost a patient 2 days ago. It's just really sad to see so many of us suffering and other conditions that they're dealing with too. That and then with COVID, making it difficult to get in to see anybody, or you're just. Your lives are just threatened constantly, and you live in fear, and the stress is just extreme, and the condition itself is really taxing on your body and your organs and your emotions and your relationships. And I'm fortunate to have a partner who's stepping up, man, and working 12-hour days to compensate in an environment that's already extremely stressful and dangerous. So it's just been rough, and then Facebook has been really on me for the stupidest, smallest things. That I'm some big threat, so I keep getting in Facebook jail for 30 days back to back, over and over again. So meanwhile, other people, like the president and their son, is on there just saying the scariest things, the most dangerous things, and yet they're still there. And but I'm not. And so that's on my regular Facebook page, and I have a hiccup page, but because the phone numbers are identical to matching the Facebook pages, I get punished on one, both get restricted. So in the hiccup Facebook page happens to be the one that's running the support group, and so I'm not able to respond to their posts that are going on. And this person that passed away, I happened to read his last post, and it was very touching, and I thought, okay, so I have about 10 days left in this cycle of punishment, and I'll respond to him and the group when I get back in, not thinking to send him a private message, and that was 5 days ago, and then suddenly he's gone. So it's just it's crazy. I've had this month, I've had 3 days off. It's now the 24th. I've had 3 days off, and those days off aren't really days off, because you're constantly fighting to stop a hiccup from happening. You learn to kind of control it a little. You can feel it coming. I mean, there's all kinds of internal stuff that goes on that I'm in my 5th year of this, so you become quite familiar with the internals of your body and signs and things that are happening, and how aggressive a hiccup can be versus another one. Some go into choking spasms. You can tell by the aggressiveness of the hiccups, the repetitiveness of how bad it's going to be, which stops me from doing a lot of things. I mean, I can work out, and in fact, this video that I'm going to post here shows me working out with hiccups, but that's not always the case. I can't always work out, so my body suffers. We can't do a lot of things because my makeup being all the time. Our weekends are spent mostly inside or sitting outside. We do have a electric skateboard that I got with the COVID relief, the funds we got for transportation, so that we could go further distances and to just allow my partner to have a life within catering to my disability. I have obligations too. I need to build my stamina because my end goal is to get back to work. But it seems that I'm getting pushed further away from that and closer to death. And to be honest, with this condition, so my days I feel are numbered, and so I just try to live the best that I can and give my partner the best life that we can get out of this. And so the support group is just awesome, but I just feel so bad because I keep getting pulled away from it for the stupidest things. Facebook is so sensitive, very biased to a liberal type of person versus a conservative, radical, crazy. I don't want to get political on this, but I'm just frustrated and tired. Just scared. So I don't know. Just wanted to end this video with some words because I'm just showing the symptoms themselves, and we just need help. So if you could just pass the word around to physicians if you know any. And, we need to get this condition more noticed, to get the attention that it needs, to get the studies done so that we can find some sense of relief. Because it's really, really a serious condition. Really deadly, debilitating. It's miserable. It's hard.